Includer is my "We Are a Team" theme. Everything to me is about the team. My Includer theme helps me to ask questions such as, who else should be in this meeting? Are there others who can help us? Have we kept everyone informed? Has everyone had a chance to present ideas or share opinions? These questions enable me to ensure that everyone is working together towards a common goal. In the end, these questions help my team and me to succeed. Our success depends upon our ability to collaborate. To put it simply, we are at our best when everyone feels involved and knows their contributions are valued. I invite others to be active members to the team. I bring them in, ask them questions, keep them informed, and call upon them to be part of the action.